What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play Payday 3, but I'm getting this Nebula connection login failed. What's really going on with the Payday 3 servers? What's really going on when the servers will be back up and running? Today in this video, we'll be going to check out all the latest updates. So without further ado, let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so as far as I can see, many people are getting this Nebula login to Nebula failed platform account already linked, and this is a telltale sign that servers are down. In fact, if you check out the down detector, here you can see there are tons and tons of outage report. As you can see, about 197 outage report. So let's check it out, the update from the game developers itself, what they are saying about it. Alright guys, so this is a Payday 3 Twitter official page. So let's check it out, the latest update. Alright, just a few hours ago, here you can see 48 minutes ago actually, Payday 3 tweeted out that we are sorry to report that matchmaking is still unavailable. Our team is working overtime to get this resolved. 144k views. So you see the point, guys. Tons and tons of people are facing this issue as of right now. Then check this out. Payday 3 tweeted out just 2 hours ago. Matchmaking is still unavailable. The team is hard at work with identifying and resolving this issue. Stay tuned for more updates. Alright, then right after that, 2 hours ago, hasters, we are currently experiencing slow matchmaking. We are investigating and working onto a solution. So they have managed to partially solve this issue right over here, but still they are slow. Then right after that, let me show you the latest update 7 hours ago. Payday 3 is finally here. Get the game on Steam, EGS, PS5, Xbox, XS, and begin your next heisting adventure in New York City. Alright, so this is the latest tweet as of right now, guys, and here you can see the Payday 3 is just launched and they are already number 1 onto the Steam. So yeah, since this is a latest launch, you might able to see some outage situation going on since they are just launching the game. As far as the latest details goes, check this out. Payday 3, tons and tons of people are facing the same kind of a matchmaking error, and you are not alone facing this issue. Let me tell you this, guys, and the Payday 3 team is working really hard onto the issue, solving this issue. So once I get any latest server status update, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.